चलो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो नाउ सी यहाँ पे डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लैब है IIT रुड़की बोल के, सो क्लिक हियर। ओके, नाउ सम पेज इज ओपन हियर। मैं यहाँ पे देखो लिस्ट ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट है, बहुत सारा पॉइंट्स है, लिस्ट ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट है। यहाँ पे हम लोग को जाना है क्या क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट है, तो लिस्ट ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट इतने सारे लैब है। सो हम एक एक करके प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो पहला जो लैब है यहाँ पे वो है वेरिफिकेशन इन interpretation of truth table for and or not nan not exclusive or with exclusive nor with। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्लिक करेंगे, क्लिक कर दिए। तो नाउ that particular lab has been opened here, so many things are there। एम है, ये इस एक्सपेरिमेंट का एम क्या है, थ्योरी क्या है, प्रीटेस्ट कुछ है, प्रोसीड्यूर क्या है, सिमुलेशन, देन पोस्ट टेस्ट, रेफरेंसेस एंड फीडबैक। लेकिन हम लोग को यहाँ प्रैक्टिस करना है, लैब करना है, और कैसे तुम लैब लिखोगे वो हम बाद में बता देंगे। लैब होने के बाद यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर लैब कॉपी। ओके, इन दैट वे व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट यू, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू हैव टू मैनेज योर लैब कॉपी। ओके, तो पहले विल स्टार्ट और एक्सपेरिमेंट, that is your verification and interpretation of truth table for AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND, NOR, exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates। So start with simulation। So here we have clicked simulation part। Okay, so now see all the gates are individually they have written। Now we'll select AND gate, so click here। Okay, तो एक एक करके हम लोग चूज करेंगे और हम लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे। तो AND gate, click here। Now देखो simulator 1, simulator 2, simulator 2 will go later, will first practice simulator 1। now देखो यहाँ क्या है, एक सर्किट दिया हुआ है, experiment to perform AND gate on it। यहाँ पे देखो, so basically that is called RTL logic, that is register transistor logic। you have to study in theoretical class all these things। वो जो हम लोग गेट देखता है ना, एंड गेट तो सिंबॉलिक, सो उसका अंदर में ये सर्किट एक्चुअली that circuit is the original circuit which is placed inside the actual AND gate। okay, what we have seen in symbolically, but this circuit basically is inbuilt within the AND gate logic circuit। तो ये पहले क्या करना है तुम लोगों को, ये देखो पावर सप्लाई है, बैटरी है, यहाँ पे देखो स्विच 1 है, स्विच 2 है, स्विच 3 है। ठीक है, तो एन गेट का कितना इनपुट है हम लोग जानते हैं। इनपुट में दो इनपुट होता है एन गेट में, ए एंड बी। सो आउटपुट में क्या होता है, वाई इक्वल टू ए डॉट बी, एंड वी नो ऑल्सो द ट्रुथ टेबल। सो 0 0 आउटपुट 0 होगा, 0 1 आउटपुट 0 होगा, 1 0 आउटपुट 0 होगा, एंड 1 1 में भी आउटपुट 1 होगा। सो ओनली व्हेन द all the inputs are high, then only we are getting the high output, that is the truth table। so that you have to realize here, that you have to verify here। okay, so पहले जो है तुमको you have to first connect this battery। so by clicking the battery, so you have to connect। now see connected is written there। now see that is switch, you have to make on this switch so that the power supply will be available। so now that switch is on, it will remain on permanently। okay, once the experiment has been started। now यहाँ पे देखो A and B, switch to basically representing A, switch 3 basically representing the input B. So AND gateway A and B input है and output basically showing the LED bulb. Okay, the output basically indicating the LED bulb. And you people know that already I have told you 1 and 0, that is high and low, true and false, actually basically representing your plus 5 volt and 0 volt. Okay. So when the LED bulb will glow, that means it's representing high value. Please remember. When the LED bulb is off, that means it's representing zero output. So when it glows, that means it's representing high at the output. When this LED bulb is low, that means it's representing zero at the output. That you have to understand. Now, people will know that when the both inputs are high, then only you are getting the high output. In the case of AND gate, so naturally the switch is on, that switch is on. Okay. Now see the bulb is on. So when the inputs are 1, 1, A, B, both the inputs are 1, so output will be 1. Okay. But any one of the input is low, then definitely output will be low. Any one of the output input, if it is low, so make B is low. So now we made B is low, so output is 0. So if both the inputs are 0, 0, so definitely output will be 0. If 0, this is 1, then also it is 0. Now make it low, make it high, then also 0. So only both the inputs are high, then the output is high. So that is the truth table of AND gate. Now we have proved it. So we have realized or we have verified the truth table of AND gate using RTL circuit. So after making this circuit, you have to take this screenshot here. Okay. So now we'll move to the simulator 2. So this is your simulator 2. Here the symbolic AND gate is shown here. Definitely there is a AB to input and Y is the output. You can say now there is a truth table. You have to verify the truth table here. Now you place the input and the output, and you have to check that corresponding input and the output. So let's start the verifying the truth table. Now A is 0. Manually you have to put here 0 and B also 0. Now what should be the output? You will tell me that should be 0. So when the inputs are 0, 0, you will know that the output is 0. Now check it. Now click the button check. So just I have clicked check button. Now we have what we get in the truth table. See serial 1. So first input combination 0, 0. The output is 0. Remax is correct. Now take A is 0, B is 1, and we know that output should be 0. Just click check. So now see 0, 1, the output is 0. Remax is correct. So now make it 1 and make B is 0. All the combinations you have to try. And 1, 0, and then also the output will be 0. Now just check it. Check. So serial number 3, what is the input combination? 1, 0. Then what we get the output, that is 0. So that is correct. Now you make it high. So what should the output? That should be high. So that's we put here high. So 1, 1 high. So just check it. So that is correct. So 1, 1, 1. The output is correct. So in that way you have to verify the AND gate. Now can you tell me what is the IC number for AND gate? When you are going to implement the actual circuit in your laboratory work in the lab, well, if the offline class is available, then we will definitely go for designing all these circuits in our own laboratory. In that case, you need to have AND gate IC, and for that you have to know the IC numbers. What is the IC number for NAND gate? What is the IC number for NOR gate? What is the IC number for NOT gate? What is the IC number for your AND gate? What is the IC number for OR gate, or exclusive OR gate, or exclusive NOR gate? Basically, after exclusive OR, you have to remember the IC numbers. I definitely give you the IC numbers, that is called 74 series basically. They are from 74 series. Okay. So what is the IC number for N gate? 7408. 7408 is the IC number. And within a single IC, how many N gates are available? 4 number of inputs are N gate are available within a single 7408 IC. How many N gates are available in a single IC? 4 number. Okay. So if you are having 4 number of N gate within the IC, that means कितना पिन होगा आईसी का? देखो चार जॉब एन गेट होगा तो 4 के लिए 2 करके 8 इनपुट होगा और 4 आउटपुट होगा सिंगल करके. सो 8 + 4 कितना हुआ? 12. So 12 number of pin and 1 for your VCC, 13 and 1 for your ground potential. So 14 pin. So इसलिए whenever you will have the physically IC in your hand, then you will get in single IC there must have 14 number of pins. So any sort of IC, digital IC 74 series, there should have 14 number of pins. Okay. So pin number 7 is dedicated for your ground potential. Pin number 14 is for your plus VCC, that is plus 5 volt. And all other inter between जो pin है वो तुम्हारा input एवं output के लिए होता है. So we'll definitely understand the ICs. I will provide you the list of ICs and their numbers and their pin configurations. And their pin configuration, which pin is dedicated for your input, which pin is for your output, that you have to understand. Okay. And whenever I ask you the IC number, definitely you have to give the answer. Yes, sir, is logic gate का IC number ये है, इस logic gate का IC number ये है, and pin configurations ये है. That you have to remember, everybody. You have to remember. So what we have studied here? AND gate. So just we have verified the truth table for AND gate. So when both the inputs are high, both the inputs are high, definitely then only you are getting the high output. Other than these combinations, see all the outputs are low. Okay. So here 0 means the bulb is off. Okay, 0 means bulb is off, and 1 means the bulb is on. Okay, so that is you have to understand. So after finishing that, if you print this, so you can print it. So click the print option and that box will come and you can save it for your future reference. Because when you are going to manage your or complete your lab copy at that time, that may help you. So in that way you can save in your, this is your laptop, whatever you are using. So you can save it by saving the options, save. Okay. So in that way we just completed the AND gate operation. So what is the AND gate symbol, that you have to understand, and what are the truth tables and what are the possible outcomes that you have to understand, that you have to verify here. So in that way you can store it, you can save it. Okay, so I'm not saving it right now. So you people can save it. Okay, I'm giving the procedures how to complete the process. So I'm just cancelling it right now. Now move to some other experiment. So now we'll move to OR gate. अच्छा बोलो तो तुम लोग सब कुछ सुनाई दे रहा है ना तुमको?
Yes, sir.
May I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And now you have to practice it at your home. So now we'll move for OR gate. OR gate का IC number कितना है? 7432. You can write down 7432. ये IC number है. ठीक है. Now see, this is also diode and resistor. That is your DRL, diode resistor logic. So what the circuit basically inside your OR gate that is shown here. Okay, so now पहले मैं क्या बोला था, ये जो बैटरी है you have to join them first with the circuit. That is your first criteria. Otherwise that circuit never be activated or you can't verify the truth table. So before starting the experiment, you must switch on the power supply. That means battery must be connected. Now I just connected the battery here. So now see connected written there. Okay. Now see there are two switches. Switch 1 indicating A, switch B indicating B, switch 2 indicating B. So OR gate we know definitely there should have two inputs, a single output. At least one input is high, then the output will be high. We know that. So when the both the inputs are when at least any one input is high, then the output will be high. That is the conclusion for OR gate. Now make the switch on. See, this switch is on, that is 0. So 1 0 output is 1. Now make this switch is off. So red mean off. This is 0, this is 1. Then also the output is high. Now make both the switch high. Then also output is high. Make both the switch off. Then the output is off. So that is the truth table of OR gate, definitely. So what I told you, at least one input is high, then the output will be high. So any one input, so it is high, output is high. So make it off, make it on, so output is high. So at least any one input is closed or input is high, then the output is high. So both the switches are on, then definitely in that case output will be high. So that's why I told you at least one input is high, definitely will get output very high. So that is the diode transistor or diode resistor logic circuit. Now move for simulator 2. See here, definitely we'll have four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So we'll check one by one. So make it 0. That is also 0. So we know that for OR gate 7432, so output will be 0. Just check it. As soon as we click the check button, we get serial number 1. Both the inputs are 0, output is 0. So definitely remark should be correct as it is correct. Now 0 1, so definitely output will be 1. So just check, we got the result. Again, this is 1, B is 0, B is 0. So definitely output is also high. So check it, we got it, so it is correct. Now both the inputs are high, so definitely output will be high. So check it. So in that way, we have verified the level of OR gate. Now simply in the same way, make print, so we'll get definitely the output here. So you can preserve it for your future reference. So in that way, you have to practice all the digital logic circuits by using this virtual lab. So just I'm cancelling it. Now see, we are having only 7 minutes. Okay, after that you will be off. Then again you join through the same link. Okay, you must join through the same link. Now we'll go for some other gates. Now see not gate. Now what is the IC number for not gate? 7404. 7404. Okay, so 7404 is the IC number for not gate. In the same way, it's a transistor is being used here as not gate, single transistor. Now the battery is clicked here, so it is connected now. The switch is off. Make it on. Now see, what is the truth table for not gate? If the input is 1, so output will be low. So see here, the switch 2 is activated as input here. So that switch is closed. That means we are applying high for 1 here, but we are getting at the output low. Okay, now make it off. So we made it off. So we are getting at the output high. So that is the beautifulness of the circuit. If we apply 0 volt at the input, we get the output as high voltage. And if we apply plus 5 volt or the high voltage at the input, at the output will definitely getting the 0 output. So this is the circuit diagram for your NOT gate, and the IC number is 7404. So in the laboratory using breadboard, you have to design the circuit and you have to verify your truth table in your lab if offline class is active. So we'll go for simulator 2. So simply it's a NOT gate, everybody knows. So if we apply 0 at the input, so what should the output? It should be high. So let's check it. So that is correct. Now again, the input should be 1, so output should be 0. Now check it. We have checked it. So that is the correct. So when we are applying 0 at the input, output is 1. When we are applying 1 at the input, we are getting at the output as 0. So this is the uh, verification of the truth table for NOT gate. And the IC number is 7404. But here, how many number of NOT gates are available in a single IC? Can you tell me? Here see, single input, single output. So definitely here the number of NOT gates available should be higher for a single IC 7404. But in the case of AND gate or gate, we are getting only 4 number of gates, logic gates available in a single IC. But in the case of NOT gate, we should have 6 number of NOT gates available in a single IC. Okay, that's why that is called hex. 6 number of NOT gates are available in a single IC. IC for NOT gate is how much? 7404. You have to remember the IC number. So simply you can print it and you can save it for future reference. So that is all about your NOT gate. Now we'll move for NAND gate. Okay, so NAND gate operations is there. So that is also the simulator, first simulator. That is your resistor transistor logic. Resistor transistor logic. So as I told you every time, before going to start the experiment, you have to join the battery with the main circuit. Until and unless you are joining the or connecting the battery, your circuit will never be activated or it will not be operated in its normal mode. So every time before starting your experiment, whether it is virtual or practical, every time you have to give your power supply. Until and unless you are giving power supply to the IC will never be activated. So that's why each and every pin, 14 number is for your plus 5 volt and 7 number pin dedicated for your ground. So now so many things I need to say you if we are having some IC practically in our head. Because how to count the pin number, that's most important in the laboratory work. How to start pin number. Okay, which number, which pin is 1 and which pin is for your 14 number pin and which pin for your first pin, that you have to understand. So if you, I don't have right now any ICs, if available I will find out if I available any sort of IC in my home. So in our next class I will show you the IC and how to count the pin numbers and how to hold the IC. Basically that is most important, how to hold the IC. Okay, so for theoretical, I am telling you, there each and every IC must have notch present on the surface, soft surface of the IC. There is a notch, cut point is there. So that cut point basically should be at your left side. That cutting point of the IC should be a, you have to hold the IC such a way that your notch, that is cutting point is basically technically called notch. That notch should be at the left side of your left hand side. Okay, then you have to start the counting IC or pin numbers. So the legs facing your front side, that will start from 1. So from the left side, very left side, you have to start counting 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So front side 7 pins are there. So number 7 pin basically for your ground potential, or then the upper side should be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 14 number in pin, 14 number pin is dedicated for your power supply. So in that way, if available, I see, then I can show you that will be better for you. So definitely that will be better for you. But still D2T student, I think they have some idea about the IC or some sort of income configurations, but those are very new regular students. So definitely that should have some problem. So if I available some sort of IC, I can show you in the next class. I will try my leverage to find out the IC if available in my phone. Sometimes it may have, so definitely will show you if I can manage it. So we are having less than 1 minute. So after ending this 40 minutes, you can again join, and we'll start this NAND gate operation from the beginning. Okay. So this is basically your circuit